Happy Year of the Tiger! My name is Kristen and I'm a product designer at KiwiCo. Lunar New Year is a holiday that marks the beginning of the lunar calendar. It's also a time to celebrate luck, health, and family. My family is from Hong Kong, and during Lunar New Year, we say 恭喜發財. That means wishing you great happiness and prosperity in Cantonese. Lunar New Year is celebrated across a lot of different Asian cultures, and they all have their own special greetings, like these.
새해 복 많이 받으세요. 기쇼가츠 오메데토 고자이마스.
In Chinese culture, we use animals to represent each Lunar New Year. There are 12 different animals, and this year is the Year of the Tiger. To celebrate, let's make a tiger puppet using KiwiCo supplies. We need yarn, paint and brushes, air-dry clay and wiggle eyes, tape, scissors and a hole punch, colored paper, a craft stick and pipe cleaners, and 2 toilet paper rolls. Step 1. To make the head, cut off part of a toilet paper roll. Then punch 2 holes, like this. For the body, take the second roll and punch more holes, 3 on the top and 4 on the bottom. Step 2. Paint the head and body orange. You might want to do a few coats. Step 3. While the paint dries, I'm going to cut some yarn. We need 2 pieces that are about the length of the craft stick, and then 2 more pieces that are about twice the length of a craft stick. Step 4. Now I'm going to use colored paper to make the tiger's face, and pipe cleaners to make the tail. Step 5. Stripe time. I'm going to add some to the body first. Now I'll add a few to the head. It will take a bit for the stripes to dry. Step 6. We're ready to assemble the tiger. String the yarn through the holes like this, and loop it around the craft stick, and tape it at the ends. For the feet, thread the yarn through the holes. Then mold some air-dry clay on the ends of the yarn to make paws. Step 7. Let's decorate. Use tape to stick on the tiger's face. Then pop on some wiggle eyes. Now let's stick on the tiger's tail. And there you have it. Your tiger is all ready to celebrate the new year. For more fun projects, visit KiwiCo.com.